Hi there, Leslie here. So, what are your concerns for Christmas? Are you concerned about your weight? Are you concerned about your loved ones? And are you concerned about what you would like to buy for them for Christmas and perhaps can't afford or can't get? What are you concerned about? Well, I've got a few possible solutions for you. Just remember to subscribe to my channel and click the notifications bell, and maybe we'll have some solutions for your concerns for Christmas. So first of all, let's address the concern about your body image. Perhaps you're concerned about your weight. Perhaps you're thinking, oh dear, Christmas is coming, the goose is getting fatter and fatter. I know what's going to happen this Christmas. I'm going to put on more weight. So what the hell, let's just start eating whatever I want now and face it in January. Well, guess what? You're probably thinking that because it's probably what has been the pattern that has been recurring for you year after year. And if that's something that recurs, it's because it's something that you've not been able to find a solution for. And I'm here to tell you that I found a solution for my hopelessness at Christmas time, or the whole December holiday season time, what with parties and snacks and extra stuff in the supermarkets to tempt us, and all that kind of psychological stuff that gets thrown at us over the Christmas period to tell us that this is the time to be happy and jolly and enjoy our food and have fun with family, and it's all about treating them and treating ourselves and yada yada yada. All that goes on, and actually most people seem to believe it. But then they suffer the consequences or regret what they've done or think, oh, well, there's no other way, everyone else is doing this, so let's join in. Well, that doesn't have to be the case. And I can tell you that now for 33 Christmases, I have not had a single worry about putting on some extra weight and what am I going to do about it in January. So I'm here to share that with you. First of all, you can still enjoy all the Christmas goodies and all the Christmas fun without having to suffer. But with the plan that I'm going to show you, you'll be able to maybe even lose a bit of weight or at least stay the same weight throughout Christmas. So that's good news, isn't it? So getting back to me, what I have done is I've incorporated Herbalife nutrition into my daily routine. And by that I mean I have a lovely Herbalife shake for breakfast, and I can also add my Herbalife shake to my lunch if I wish, and I often wish to because it's so good, so yummy and so nutritious for me anyway. And then I eat one healthy meal with some healthy snacks in the day as well. And it's just about the kind of things that you choose to eat each day. It's not really about exercising like mad. It's not really about wait until the gym's open so that I can get out there, wait until the weather's a bit nicer so I can go for a run. It's not about any of that. It's really about what choices you make to put into your body every single day. And so the Herbalife nutrition products have helped me not only to lose 21 pounds, 4 inches from my waist and 3 inches from my tummy and my hips, but they have allowed me to live a normal life and keep that weight off for 33 years. Now, maybe you don't want to go for 33 years, and that's fine. Maybe it's just about this Christmas, and that's fine. So let's just get into that. We have a 12 days of fitness coming up very soon, and you're welcome to join that if you wish. And what happens there is we show you some ideal recipes, some good ideas for snacking, some great ideas for holiday and Christmas style food, 5 to 10 minutes of light exercise just to get you moving, because you're going to have that energy. And you're in a completely supportive group of coaches and other people who are on the same journey as you. And you're very welcome to join us. The only thing that is required is to get in touch with your coach and work out a Herbalife nutrition program that's right for you, that's right for your budget and right for your goals. And whatever it is that you choose, as soon as you get those products, we will be showing you how to incorporate that into your daily routine just for the 12 days leading up to Christmas, and then see how you feel after that. See how amazing you're going to feel. So I'm not going to make promises that you're going to lose, 25 pounds in 25 days, 25 days for the 25th of December. No, let's just be reasonable here. I'm going to promise you that you will feel better, more energetic, have more control of your appetite, be able to look at all the Christmas snacks, treats and whatnot with much more of a sensible, emotional, mental approach to it all, not have to binge and go crazy, and just feel so good about yourself, but at the same time still be able to enjoy the things that you would like to enjoy through Christmas. And really, that's amazing, because with the Herbalife Nutrition Program, when you start getting the right nutrition in a perfect balance each day, and that only needs to be a shake for breakfast and a few vitamins and maybe a bit of energizing herbal tea, that will get you in such a good place that you will be able to say, okay, 1 mince pie is enough. Right, 2 roast potatoes on my dinner, happy with that. A dollop of Christmas pudding or a slice of Christmas cake, perfect, no problem. Whatever it is that you are wanting to have for Christmas, as well as the run up to Christmas, maybe, some mulled wine and a couple of celebratory drinks, no problem. We're going to help you with a program that's going to sort all of those things out for you so that you barely need to think. And as well as that, there's always a supportive group of coaches that are there to help you all throughout the day. And so wherever you are in the world, if you'd like some help, and if you haven't got a Herbalife nutrition coach already, do get in touch with us, because we are the experts to help you to get through Christmas guilt-free. If you don't want to do it, that's no problem, but you know that you're going to be suffering the consequences in January. So get in touch with us now. Make that decision that you want to give yourself a Christmas present, and that is to be feeling healthy and slim, not only for this month, but for the rest of next year as well. So give us a call. My details are in the bottom of this video here. If you have someone else that, if you have someone else that is looking after you in terms of Herbalife nutrition coaching, get in touch with them. They should be able to help, but we're happy to help you here. So I look forward to seeing you having a lovely guilt-free December. Bye for now.